What's up, everybody? This is Lyle, No Hippie Barbecue, and recently I did a bone-in cowboy tomahawk steak, and that was a collaboration between two other YouTube channels. One of those channels was Daddy Cooks. The other channel was named Bad Beast Barbecue. I'm gonna leave both of those channels in the iCard above and description below. Anyway, our collaboration was to cook some of these cowboy tomahawk steaks. I think my steak was seasoned well, tasted excellent, but the appearance just wasn't what I was gonna be used to, or what I am used to. Anyway, I'm gonna redeem myself on this. Went out, bought another cowboy steak, so we're gonna hook it up. The last one I did, I cooked that one on my Weber kettle grill. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna leave a link to that video in the iCard above, description below. Take a look at that. Anyway, this time we're gonna go ahead and cook it on my Camp Chef Woodwind with the side sear box, just to redeem myself. Anyway, have about a 2-inch ribeye steak right here. Instead of using the coffee rub we were using in the last recipe, I'm gonna go ahead and use salt, pepper, garlic blend. And I'm gonna go ahead and let this sit on here for about 3 hours while this comes up to room temperature. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and let this kind of seep into this steak. We'll pick this back up in 3 hours and see if redemption is in the cards for today. All right, guys, we are out at my Camp Chef Woodwind. We're gonna be cooking these steaks at about 250 degrees until we reach an internal temperature. I'm gonna go at about 110 to 112 degrees. Already have my grates cleaned off, and already have them kind of oiled down with a little bit of canola oil. Now, this Camp Chef does come with the temperature probe, but it's not Wi-Fi capable. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug in my Inkbird wireless thermometer. We're just gonna go ahead and let it run. So my alarm just went off telling me we are at 110 degrees. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this probe. We're gonna take this inside, let it sit for a while we go ahead and get this side sear box set up. This already has some good looking color on it. So we have let this sear box come up to temperature. Let's go ahead and throw it on. And we're gonna be searing it for about 2 minutes, then we're gonna turn it a quarter turn. We're gonna do that on both sides. And we're coming up on 2 minutes. We're about to give it another quarter turn. So we're getting a lot more flame than I expected. I'm only gonna let this side go for a minute and 30 seconds, and then we're gonna flip it right now. And I'm probably gonna go about another minute and a half on both sides this time, turning about another minute and a half through. All right, that's about a minute and a half. Let's go ahead and give it a little bit of a turn. And we're just gonna finish it up right here. I'm gonna go ahead and sear off this fat a little bit as well. We've let that go another minute and a half. I'm gonna go ahead and start searing off this fat. So that's a done deal. Let's take it off and get it inside. So this is what we're looking like. I'm gonna go ahead and cut into it. I am gonna go ahead and remove this bone. Then we're just going to slice it thinly. I'm going to go ahead and plate this stuff up. We'll go ahead and taste it. So it looks like the Camp Chef Woodwind did his job. Definitely got the look I was going for. Now let's go ahead and taste it. I'm gonna say this Elk Creek seasoning is good. It's basically an all-purpose rub. Good for pork, chicken, and beef, and game. Anyway, this is pretty good. Well, it's not the first time I've tried it, but I've never seen this in my stores out here. Anyway, I recommend that. I could keep eating, but I'm gonna go ahead and shut it down. Thanks for stopping by No Hippie Barbecue. I appreciate it. Comment, subscribe, and I'm out.